In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an unsubscribe link in Klaviyo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, if you're using Klaviyo for your email marketing campaigns, it's important to ensure that you comply with regulations like the Can-Spam Act, which requires that you include an unsubscribe option in your emails. Making sure your subscribers can easily opt out shows respect for their preferences and helps you maintain a good relationship with your audience. Let's get started on how to add that unsubscribe link in your Klaviyo campaigns. First, you'll want to log in to your Klaviyo account. Once you're in, head over to the Campaigns section. This is where all of your email campaigns are managed. If you're creating a new campaign, go ahead and click on the Create Campaign button. If you're editing an existing one, simply find it on the list and click into it. Next, you'll be taken to the email editor. In this area, you can customize the design and content of your email. Now, in order to add the unsubscribe link, you'll need to focus on the text block where you want this option to appear. It's often a good idea to place it at the bottom of your email, but you can choose a location that feels right for your template. To add the link, first, click on the text block. When the editing options appear, type in your unsubscribe message. A common phrase is, "Click here to unsubscribe," or simply unsubscribe. Once you have your text ready, highlight the phrase you want to turn into a link. Now look for the link icon in the formatting options. This is typically represented as a chain link icon. Click on that, and a pop-up will appear where you can enter the URL. Instead of a typical URL, you'll want to insert the special unsubscribe link that Klaviyo generates for you. To do this, type in unsub. Yes, that's right. Using the asterisks is essential. It's a personalization tag that Klaviyo recognizes to automatically generate the correct unsubscribe link for each recipient. After you've entered the tag, click on the Insert or Apply button, depending on which options appear. You should see that your highlighted text has now turned into a clickable link. Before moving on, let's revisit what you just did. You created a clear unsubscribe option that is dynamically personalized for every recipient, ensuring that they can easily opt out if they wish. This helps you stay within compliance while maintaining a great user experience. Once you've made these changes, be sure to preview your email. Klaviyo has a handy preview feature that allows you to see how the email will appear on both desktop and mobile screens. Take this opportunity to test the link too. This is crucial to ensure that everything works as intended. If you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to move on to scheduling or sending your campaign. And there you have it. You've successfully added an unsubscribe link to your Klaviyo email. Remember, including an unsubscribe option not only keeps you compliant with regulations, but also fosters trust with your audience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Happy emailing, and I'll see you in the next video.